Hi guys, check out my gotta make a tour video so I can show you some of the new things. You can see some right there, but I wanted to talk about my Silas wood Sapodilla Nispero right here. It's about 1.5 feet tall, and I know these tend to be dwarfy. They grow slow, and but they produce a good amount of fruit. And so I'm trying to grow this one here since I don't have so much space next to my moringa tree right here. And you know, it had a fruit which I just took down, so I'm going to be cutting it and tasting it later and see how good it is. Let's see here a little view of how I've been taking care of stuff. I did cut down, I know some of you can see it in my older videos, even though I was trying to throw some new growth right here. I did cut down the lychee tree because of the mite. It got infested, and I don't want to have to deal with trying to, you know, spray it all the time with sulfur and all that, at least not for now. And so I figured, you know, that I could anyway, it also fruits like, you know, here and there, every 2 or 3, you know, 3 or 4 years it fruits. It's got to get cold enough and all that. So I like the fruit, but I figured I could plant something else that'd be less of a hassle and more productive. But anyway, let me show you the fruit real quick. I got my cherry tomatoes right here, you can tell. And I've got some Everglades tomatoes still kicking out. A bunch of them right there. You can see them all over the place right here. And right here, I've been checking it every day. Now it finally got soft. And this is about the size of it, guys, so you know. They're smaller. But we'll be tasting it soon, see how good it is. Gave me one fruit, which I didn't take down because I wanted to taste it. And here's my other Nispero Sapodilla tree, which, if you can tell, oh, pretty day out here. It's got some Nisperos on the top right there, but I cut it on the top, which is something I've been doing here. If you've noticed, well, I got to do a video, an update, a tour video, an update on all this. But you can tell this growth now is going more sideways because I cut the top. Still got to probably trim another trunk in the middle there so that you can get more light and it grows more to the sides and not so much height. Better for the hurricanes, better for fruit production, disease control, all that. So but now it's just throwing a bunch of new leaves. It looking beautiful. But this one gives me some that size, but a lot of them are like medium size and some of them are really big. I mean, some of them look like mames. And I know it's a grafted tree. I'm not sure exactly what variety, but I know that it gives big Nisperos. So it's a good variety. It tastes really good. It's excellent taste. So anyway, just wanted to contrast that with the little Silas wood that I planted in the ground finally. And but you know, that the Silas wood is supposed to be prolific, so let's see I'll keep you posted on how that's doing. And like I said, hopefully soon I'll do a tour and show you how everything's doing. My mom painting here. She likes to be in the yard as much as me. Okay guys, just wanted to give you an update on the Nisperos, and specifically the Silas wood. So hope you liked the video, and everything's starting to flower, and all the leaves are coming out. You can tell over there I got a million mangoes on my my white mango, as I call it. But and all the avocado trees are flowering big time. So everything's looking good. A lot of changes coming. So just wanted to give you a little update, and hope I can give you a tour soon with some updates on what I'm doing out here. Okay guys, God bless. Thanks for watching.